Hey, I'll be taking it through to the unboxing video of Soundwave Bluetooth speakers from Cygnett, and which will be followed by a very short sound test. Okay, so let's get on with it. These are the Bluetooth speakers compatible for tablets, smartphones, and laptops. They provide a stereo sound, as you can see in the packaging itself. These are compatible with iPad 3rd generation, iPhone 4S, Samsung Galaxy S3, and other smartphones. Basically, being a Bluetooth stereo speakers, they are compatible with almost all the smartphones these days. Included in the packaging is a docking station for your device. Again, you can dock your smartphone very easily. Okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so first we have this wall socket for providing AC DC volt to the unit, to the main unit. On a special note, I got this converter from Mobile Phone. In case you are living in an Asian country or India, this will be useful. Okay, and what else do we have? Okay, so this is the docking station. On the packaging it says it's an adjustable dock. So you just press this button and you'll be able to adjust it according to the width of your phone or your tablet. And underneath it we have a special wiring case. So all in all, a good sturdy docking station. Okay, so, and this is the user's manual for using the device, not important. And this is the main unit, the Cygnett Cygnett Bluetooth speakers. It has got a nice look to it. The front has two speakers. I don't know if it's visible in the video or not. The one is here, the other one is here. On the front we have some cloth material. I don't know what exactly material is this. Anyhow, on the top we have three buttons. The first one is for connecting the device via Bluetooth. That's the Bluetooth on off button, and also for pairing mode. This is for decreasing the volume. This is for increasing the volume from the unit itself. And on the bottom we have on the bottom we have a slot for 6 AA batteries. This is also portable speaker, but it needs 6 batteries to run, 6 AA batteries to run. So yes, you can use these as a portable speakers as well. On the back side we have this is the on-off switch. This is for connecting the wall socket, connecting with the wall socket, and this is for the auxiliary cable. In case you want to connect your device with using the aux cable directly, or instead of using the Bluetooth, or using it in a buddy mode. Okay, so this is the Cygnett stereo Bluetooth speakers. They look very nice, and just hold on, I'll be doing a short sound test. Alright, I have connected the Cygnett Bluetooth speakers with the wall socket, as you can see there. I just need to power it on and pair it with my Galaxy S2 smart. Okay, so let's power it on. Okay, as you can see there's a glowing right. Okay, so it has been turned on. Let's set it up on our device. Okay, the reason it's showing already in my paired list is because I've already paired it with my device. So for the initial, you need to just scan for it and connect it. It's not a big painful process. Okay, so now let's listen to the some songs. You can decrease the volume using this button and increase the volume using the plus. This song is actually heavy on bass, so I'll just skim through some other song. Okay, so it's more. Okay, so I'm not sure how much of an idea you have got after watching this video regarding the sound, but yes, these are the treble levels are produced exceptionally well. The bass, yes, not so good, but for a small party, for a small gathering, these are good enough speakers to just plug it in and play your favorite songs. This is all in respect to the price at which it comes, so yes, it gets a thumbs up from me. Apart from that, nice build quality, great treble production levels. The bass is good. Yes, it doesn't give you a head-breaking beats, but yes, good enough for a small party. Anyhow, for a full review about the Cygnett Bluetooth speakers, please log in to techbum.com, and thank you for watching this video.